Welcome to this webinar on connecting Revizto to Google Sheets. My name is Ahmed Abdelmajid. I'm the Customer Success Manager for Revizto for the Middle East and Africa. In this webinar, I'll walk you through how you can connect Revizto to other platforms such as Google Sheets using the Revizto API, and this will allow you to exchange information, in this case, the issue tracker data. But first, let's take a look at what the API means. So the API stands for Application Programming Interface, and as the name implies, it's an interface that allows you to interact with the Revizto application programmatically. And with the API, you are able to do several things. So you're able to automate repetitive tasks, perhaps across multiple projects, and you're also able to use the API to integrate Revizto with other applications, which will be the scenario that we are focusing on for today. So this is an application that we have developed by leveraging the Revizto API. The application runs inside Google Sheets, and you can see there's a Revizto button added to the menu, and then it allows you to choose the server and the license. And then from the Revizto menu, you are able to get the projects that you have access to on this license. Once you select a project, then you are able then to go back to the Revizto menu and pull all the issues from the issue tracker in Revizto into this Google Sheet. Now that the data has been added, we can then modify this information inside of Google Sheets and push the information back to Revizto. So for example, if I wanted to change the status on a few issues and perhaps add some text comments, I can do that in Google Sheets for multiple issues. They could have different new statuses if we need to. And once I'm done, I can go back to the Revizto menu. And notice now when I push the new status and comments to Revizto, it will start updating all those issues in the issue tracker in Revizto. So this was just one example of how you can utilize the Revizto API to integrate with other applications. Now let's take a look at how you can get started with the API and how you can access this Google Sheet that I've just shown you. In order to learn more about the Revizto API, you can head to Revizto's Red Academy at redacademy.revizto.com, where you can register and create a new account for free. You can type your work email address and register to create the account. After creating your account, you can log into Red Academy, and under the Essentials section, you will find different training material all available for free. So if you click on Start Now under Essentials, you will see the different courses that are available at the moment. And the one that we'll be focusing on is the API Essentials course. So this course has different training videos that walk you through the entire process of working with the API. So it will give you an introduction of the API, how it works, and then it will go through the process of the authentication, so how you can connect your application to Revizto. Once that is done, it will show you how you can interact with the licenses, so how you can get the information related to the different licenses you have access to, and then how you can get the information on the projects that are available on this license as well. And then you will find other videos as well on getting issues and comments, which we have used in this specific example for Google Sheets. So this video will explain how you can use the API to extract all the issue information. And then once you have that information, then your script in Google Sheets will then parse this information and write it into the table. So in order to access the Google Sheet that I've presented earlier, if you go to the practice project number 2 over here, it will show you the video of how I set up this application. And then there will also be a link to the actual Google Sheet itself so that you can try it. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.